Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series we are doing functions and in this video we will learn how to combining functions, sums, differences, products and quotients. So algebra of functions, let f and g be functions with domains a and b. Then the function f plus g, f minus g, fg, and f upon g are defined as follows. So f plus g x equal fx plus gx. F minus g x equal fx minus gx. And here domain is a intersection b. Okay. F multiply g x, so fx multiply gx. F upon gx equal fx upon gx, and here gx not equal to 0. X belongs to a intersection b and gx not equal to 0, because if gx is 0, so this is not defined. Okay, here is the question: combinations of functions and their domains. Let fx equal 1 upon x minus 2 and gx equal square root x. Here given two functions fx and gx. First question, find the functions f plus g, f minus g, fg and f upon g and their domains. And then here x replace with 4. Okay, so let's start a question. Fx is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. So what is the domain of fx? Domain of fx equal x such that x not equal to 2. And domain of g x such that x greater than or equal to 0, because here we can't put negative numbers. So here x can be 0 or more than 0. It means all positive numbers. Okay, so x greater than or equal to 0. Intersection of the domain of f and g is x such that x greater than or equal to 0 and x not equal to 2. So this is the domain of f and g function. Okay, this is only for f function, this is only for g function, and here this one is intersection of f function and g function, this one. Okay, now we can start f plus g. We have to find the function f plus g. So this is fx plus gx. This one first, f plus gx equal fx plus gx, and here domain a intersection b. So here domain for this one is x greater than or equal to 0 and x not equal to 2. Okay. Now what is fx function here? So 1 upon x minus 2. We can replace here, and g function is square root x. Okay, so this is the answer for this one, and its domain is this. Okay, now f minus g, differences of the function fx minus gx. Here fx function is x 1 upon x minus 2 and gx is square root x. And for this domain is this one, same. Now f multiply with g, third one, product. So f g x equal fx multiply gx. So here fx value is 1 upon x minus 2 and this is square root x. So we can write like this. Okay. Now quotient f upon g x equal fx upon gx. What is fx value? 1 upon x minus 2 and this is square root x. Now we can simplify this. So 1 upon x minus 2 square root x. And here domain is x, says that x here not 0, because when we put 0 this whole thing is 0 and then whole denominator is 0. So here just all positive numbers and x not equal to 2. So here domain is little bit change, here not equal to sign. For first, third, for addition, subtraction, and here multiplication, domain is this one. Here include 0. Okay. Now B question, find f plus g4, f minus g4, f g4, and f upon g4. So now B question, f plus g4. Here f4 plus g4. And f function was 1 upon x minus 2. So here 4 minus 2 plus g function is square root x, so square root 4. 4 upon 4 minus 2, 2 plus square root 4 is 2. So this is 5 upon 2. 1 upon 2 plus 2 is 5 upon 2. Because here multiply by 2, so 4 upon 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now second one, f minus g 4. So f4 minus g4, and this is 4 minus 2 minus square root 4. So what is this? Is 1 upon 2 minus 2. Here 4 upon 2, so minus 3, 1 minus 4, minus 3 upon 2. This is the answer for this one. And now fg4 equal f4 multiply g4. F function x minus 4, so x minus 2, so 4 minus 2, and here multiply square root x, it means here square root 4. 1 upon 2, square root 4 is 2. 2 cancelled by 2, we get 1. Okay. Now f upon g 4. So f4 upon g4. When we solve this, f upon gx equal fx upon gx, so we got this one, 1 upon x minus 2 square root 4, and we can replace here x by 4, and here domain, yes, it allows, we can easily put here 4. So here 1 upon 4 minus 2 square root 4. 4 minus 2, 2. and here square root 4 is 2. So answer is 1 upon 4. So very simple questions. Here given function 2 fx and gx, we can easily find out domain of fx and domain of gx. And for this combining functions, we have to find out intersection of domain of fx and gx, and then simply means add, subtract, multiply and divide. Okay, just remember here, this thing gx can't be 0, so here little bit change in domain for this quotient rule. Okay, and simply you can add or subtract, multiply, divide. And for b type of questions, you can any number replace with x. So simply you can put here values and then calculate. So very simple questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.